What's up, money growers? Jacob back here with another video coming to you guys today with something that's going to be very helpful for a lot of you. We're going to be talking about Andrews Federal Credit Union and why this is such a popular credit union. Some people even love it more than Navy Federal Credit Union. And we're going to be talking about the credit cards they have to offer, and then, of course, how you can become a member of this credit union. So we're going to talk about the credit cards they have, some of the benefits, the requirements that go along with it, the bonuses, the signups, all that kind of thing. So if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe, because the next time I see you, you're going to have more money, okay? So let's go ahead and hop into this, all right? So the first one, or well, we're going to go over all of them here that you're going to see, is Andrews Federal Credit Union, their personal credit cards. They have 4 of these, all right? So we're looking at the Platinum Rewards Visa credit card, the Titanium Rewards Visa Signature credit card, the Simplicity Visa credit card, and the Platinum Rewards Secured Visa card. So here's what you're looking at. They have 4 cards compared to like Navy Federal, who's got 6, or even SCCU, who's actually got 7 cards. But they do have 4 here, so they got some pretty good options that you can look at and you can utilize. So as we jump into it, the first one we'll talk the Platinum Rewards Visa credit card. Now, looking at this when it comes to the fees that it has on top of it, all right? So there's no annual fee. There's no foreign transaction fee. The balance transfer fee is just going to be 2% or $10, whichever is greater. And a cash advance fee, again, 2% or $10, whichever one of those is greater. And the APR, 10.49%. So that's not a bad APR, right? So let's do this. Platinum Rewards Visa credit card continued. When it comes to more offers that it has with this card, so we're looking at about 5,000 bonus points with your first purchase. So just a purchase, you're looking at 5,000 bonus points you're going to get. You do earn rewards on every purchase that you make. You're going to get 1 point on all purchases, and then you're also going to get double the points on any special offer or any holiday purchase or things like that. That may happen throughout the year. And, like lots of credit unions or banks, you can redeem these points for travel, for merchandise, and more. So you have options to redeem these in a variety of ways, because some people love travel, some people love to shop, some want to get, their cash back or statement credit. You're going to have options when it comes to Andrews Federal Credit Union. So as we jump in and dig a little deeper, so some of the benefits you're looking at here, you get travel accident insurance. You do get collision coverage on rental cars and lost luggage support. So if you're a big traveler, that could be helpful for you. And you get auto rental insurance, and you do get emergency assistance with the Platinum Rewards Visa credit card. Now, as you move on to the Titanium Rewards Visa Signature credit card, okay? So the fees that come with this, all right? There's no annual fee, okay? There's no foreign transaction fee. The balance transfer is that 2% or $10, whichever is greater. Same thing with the cash advance, 2% or $10. The APR, 9.49% on the Titanium Rewards Visa Signature credit card. Now, looking at the offers that come with this, okay? This one gives you 10,000 bonus points for $1,500 spend within the first 90 days. So if you do within this 90 days, you get 10,000 points. So $1,500 for most people, 90 days is probably pretty doable. The credit limits range on this card from $5,000 up to $50,000. So, you're going to get $5,000 minimum up to $50,000 on this, over time. You get triple the points on gas and groceries with this. You get 1.5 points on all other purchases. And then again, you can redeem these points for cash, for travel, for merchandise, and more. I'm curious for you guys. Tell me what you think in the comments. What do you like to redeem your points for? Some of you, I'm sure, love travel. I'm more of a cash guy, okay? I don't know too many people who like to use them for merchandise. Usually it seems like people either want cash back, statement credit, or they travel. But I usually prefer cash. What do you guys prefer? And continue a little more with the Titanium Rewards Visa Signature card. Benefits, you are going to get that travel accident insurance, okay? You're going to get the collision coverage on your rental car, the lost luggage support. That's pretty common with cars at Andrews Federal Credit Union. You get the rental insurance, emergency assistance. You get concierge services, which, it's kind of funny seeing places like credit unions and banks offer concierge services, especially in this day and age where you can just pull out your phone and make a dinner reservation directly or that kind of thing, or just check in online. But nonetheless, they do offer concierge services, ID theft protection, warranty manager. So we'll move on from there, talk about the Simplicity Visa credit card, okay? Now the fees, right? This is looking pretty familiar, huh? No annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, no balance transfer fee, and no cash advance fee. So I like the simplicity of it. Haha. And then the APR is 7.99%. So that's what you're looking at as far as the APR if you're going to get this Simplicity card. So not a whole lot of fees and not a very high APR. So continuing with this, the offers, they're going to offer you 0% interest for 6 months on purchases within 90 days of the account opening. So not a bad 6-month window, well, 90-day window, but for 6 months. This can really help you if you're trying to build a strong foundation for your credit and you want to build up, your credit history. And again, this is their low interest credit card that they have, that they sell. So, I mean, it's a pretty, like they say, straightforward credit card. I mean, it's a pretty straightforward offer what they're giving you here. So for some people, the 0% interest card does definitely serve a purpose for them. I'm generally not, I don't really use those a whole lot. But for some people, they do want to do that balance transfer. They do want to take advantage of that 0% for whatever situation they're in. Hey, this is an option for you. And with the Simplicity Visa credit card, a lot of the same benefits you're seeing the others, right? You have travel accident insurance, auto rental insurance, emergency assistance, so pretty common across the board. And now we get to the Platinum Rewards Visa Secured Credit Card. So if you're someone looking to build up that credit and build that credit history, this is their secured card that they have for you. So the fees, just like so many of the others, right? No annual fee, no foreign transaction fee. Balance transfer, 2% or $10. Pretty common across the board. But that APR is 17%. So remember, you want to be responsible when you have this secured credit card, okay? Now, of course, it's secured by your own money, right? It's your cash that you're putting into this. But this is your chance to prove to Andrews Federal Credit Union that you can be responsible with the money. So, for 3 months, 6 months, a year, however long it takes, for you to be able to, build your credit and really be on your way to getting more unsecured cards, manage that. Do it well, okay? If you need help, call them. You can ask their reps questions. Like a lot of these reps who work at credit unions and banks, you can call them and ask them directly if you have questions. So even if you don't feel like you have anyone around you to help guide you, or if you feel like, you want to look for answers somewhere else besides on this channel, call them directly. Call them, ask them for help. So that's part of what they do. So this is the secured credit card, though, that, they do offer to people who need to build credit or build back their credit, right? So the offer is, of course, to build credit while earning points with a $500 security deposit. So you got $500. Hey, this can be your card. Earn unlimited rewards points. You can earn your points because you're going to get 1 point back on all the purchases with the secured cards. So hey, you're earning something, right? Building your credit, you're earning some points that you can use down the road for some travel. Maybe for the holidays, you want to buy something, nice for the family or friend, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife. You can get some points that you can use for that while you're building up your credit. And then, you can just use this card to really build your foundation. So whether you're starting from zero or whether you're having to build back your credit because, you made some bad mistakes or something unfortunate happened or whatever the case is, okay? This is an option for you to utilize and take advantage of. And then, of course, a lot of the benefits, right, with all the others. You're going to get your travel accident insurance, collision coverage, auto rental insurance, emergency assistance, that kind of thing. So, they do have some additional benefits for you besides just building your credit and getting some rewards points. Now, who can join AFCU? Haha. So these are all the requirements that they have, and it may look a little bleak at first, but just stick with me and I'll show you. So either you're employed by or a member of one of our employer groups, so very common in credit unions. You live, work, attend school, or worship in Washington, D.C. That's not me. That's probably not most people. So you are or wish to be a member of the American Consumer Council. There you go. You can sign up for that. Become the American Consumer Council. Oftentimes, not always, but sometimes credit unions, they do have a way where if you just join a certain group or nonprofit or something like that, you make a donation, then you can be added. You can become a member of the credit union, even if you don't live in the general area. And then also says you are an immediate family or household member of an existing Andrews Federal member. Then also, of course, for the military. So you're either active duty or retired military personnel, their spouse, dependents, survivors. You're assigned to, either eligible for benefits on a regular basis from Joint Base Andrews or Joint Base McGuire Dix Lakehurst. So military personnel, they're obviously big on helping them out. And then civilian personnel of military units, right? So, or one of their dependents who work at or assigned to Joint Base Andrews or Joint Base McGuire Dix Lakehurst. So this is what you're looking at. Then again, more military personnel or civilian personnel. So DOD employees, I'm sorry. So these are the DOD employees who have their identification, so they can join as well. And then again, if you're on a military installation as a DoD employee, and if you don't live in the area, or if you're employed by either military base, you can join the American Consumer Council. So that's really your way to get in. If none of this applies to you, and most of you watching, this is not going to apply to you, then joining that American Consumer Council is going to be your way to get into Andrews Federal Credit Union. So with that being said, go ahead and subscribe. Happy to have you with me on this video. Hopefully I was able to give you a pretty good rundown and synopsis of the 4 cards they have to offer. These can be some good options for people. So, I know Navy Federal gets lots of love and lots of attention, but this is another credit union that has some pretty good options that are available to you. So if you want to take advantage of these, I would definitely give them a visit, call their reps, ask questions, do compare and contrast, do your homework. So, but nonetheless, I appreciate you watching this video. I do appreciate you being here. Please put down in the comments section if any comments or anything about Andrews Federal Credit Union, any advice for other people, and help them out down there. A lot of you guys have been great about helping each other down in the comments section. I'm happy to see that. So thank you for spending part of your day with me. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, keep growing your money.